Another important thing if you are starting a YouTube channel from scratch is to have patience. Guys, this is very important. The beginning is always the most difficult part of being on YouTube. Okay, let me show you a graphics from my main channel. And as you can see here, my channel is now almost 4 years old. And as you can see, at the first year, I wasn't getting that many views. It took me a lot of time to start getting more and more views each year. So as you can see, my videos got in total of 1 million views, but this does not happen overnight. It takes a lot of time to come on this level, but hopefully on my second channel I will try to achieve this much faster, because today I know a lot better how YouTube and how YouTube algorithm works. So for example, on my main channel, it took me around 9 months to get my first 100 subscribers, but today on this channel I think it will take much faster, hopefully, and let's see how it goes. So the first few months on your YouTube journey will be the most difficult months. Okay, having a patience at least a couple of months is a good idea. And of course, you need to post more videos than I did on my main channel, because as I remember, I posted like maybe 20 videos in a whole year. But if I could achieve to post more videos, then maybe I could get to these views much faster. And back in time, we didn't have, for example, the opportunity of YouTube Shorts or live stream or community posts and like that. We could only post regular YouTube videos, and the YouTube analytics back in that time was not so detailed back in 2019. Today, the analytics are giving us much more detailed information than before. So by using this information, by studying and understanding this information that the YouTube analytics gives us, helps us a lot to make better videos and to work on the parts that they are not so good.